Solutions to eat better are popular this time of year, and a new study out from the University of Toronto finds consumers want more information from restaurants to help to do that. Joining us now is Mary Scourboutakos, a doctoral student in the U of T's Department of Nutritional Studies, who worked on the study. Good to see you, Mary.
Good to see you, too.
Okay, so let's talk about this. This is a study, more nutritional information on menus. Tell us a little bit about the findings. Did anything surprise you?
So we were surprised to find that in our survey, 75% of the consumers said that they want to see both calorie and sodium information on restaurant menus.
Wow. And I guess this is the thing. I mean, we were having a discussion about this before and whether this will really make people change their eating habits to have it laid out there. Do you think that, yes, people say they want it, but do you think it will really make a difference in their habits and changing how they eat?
In our study, we found that for the people who actually use the information, and that varied from 17 to 30% of the consumers, depending on the restaurant, they were saving on average 400 calories and 900 milligrams of sodium. So that's a very substantial amount if you consider that 400 calories is about a quarter of a day's worth of calories, and 900 milligrams of sodium is almost half a day's worth of sodium.
Yeah, and this is, of course, very topical right now. We have two bills around this very topic, and do you think that this is going to help move that forward now?
I definitely think that this will show the evidence that's needed, that Canadians want to see this information on restaurant menus, and not only do they want to see it, but they could benefit greatly from having that information available.
And so we already, I believe, have some in terms of menus at some fast food locations, maybe not in Canada though. But
you're right, some fast food restaurants are offering that information voluntarily right now, and you're absolutely right. In the US, they have legislation that will be introduced later this year that means all chain restaurants across the country will have this information available. So hopefully we'll have that up here in Canada as well soon.
Yeah, and I suppose also, and I'm not sure if many restaurants like the substitutions sometimes, so I'm wondering if this will also lead to people saying, what if I take a bit of this that has less sodium and combine it with that? Or I guess there's some flexibility that has to happen in terms of restaurant owners.
It definitely will help when people are choosing side dishes. Say if they choose, a very high calorie, high sodium entree, maybe they'll opt for the lower calorie, lower sodium side dish. I think it will help consumers to make a more informed choice. It can help them make decisions when they're not sure about which item to choose. All around, it just giving people more information, I think, is always a good thing.
And can people find this study anywhere online?
Currently, you can access it on the Canadian Journal of Public Health website.
Cool. All right. We'll appreciate it. Mary Scourboutakos, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.